Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nick Cable, World Jojo, as you know. And today I am going to be with slime. It's really funny. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the slime out. And yeah. That hurt so bad. If you've done that before, comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah. And I hope you like this video, because really, my other videos are boring, but this one's not. Because look at this, slime. Everybody loves slime, right? Look at this slime. So, my recipe today, we're going to be using this hair gel. I looked it up on Google. You're allowed to just look at the brand, and I'm going to give you like 10 seconds to do what I just said, and look at the thing, the symbol and stuff that. I'm going to show that there, right there. You can see that. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be using this, and then I'll mix it. So add just a little bit of water, and then you should stop, check if it's like good enough, and if it's not, if you still have a little bit of water, drain it out, and then put the cap on after you're done draining, and then just go put it here. And then wait for 10 minutes, and you might get a good stuff. So now I'm going to go change, okay? See you. I am changed now, and so I'm going to go check on my slime now. So I'll show you the difference right here. I think I should take it, but yeah, it's like that, like that. I don't know why it was sticky at first, but look at that now. So I'm gonna go put it away. And what I want to say was I'm giving these minis away on the shout out video that I'm gonna post soon. So first person to comment down below on this video gets this. Second person gets this. Third person gets this. Fourth person gets this. Fifth person gets that. So right now, if you want one of these, comment down below and do so. If I have a new one, if you want, and for a free shout out, I was going to give away my whole Pokemon book that has a lot of Pokemons. And then all this. And all that stuff. I was going to give away this book. this book. And this one is called Jake the Fake Keeps It Real. See? 1, 2, 3, done. 1, 2, 3, done. And this one's called The Bad Guys. And do you think he's serious? I'm only in 3rd grade, so yeah, don't blame me on this stuff that I don't know how to read. But in another video, I'm going to do this in a shout-out video too. And first one gets the ring pop and Bad Guys. Second one gets this, you know me. Yeah. Third one, oh, it's a big book. It's a big book. The Pokemons. So if you enter, try to win. And what else do I have to give away? Ooh, I got something to give away for the girls. The girls that are watching this video. My name is Jojo, by the way. And I was going to give away this little things that my sister gave me. And you can take it out and it looks like this. It comes with this little bag that you can keep in. You can go in. See? It looks like this in the bag. And then I have but I really don't have but I have this for the girls. And your chance to win. So we're gonna play a little game with these cups and a ball. So I'm gonna close this so you won't see. Okay, so where is the... I'm going to show you all the cups. You might want to look at them close. So now we're going to play games. So I'm going to pick this one first. Not there. I really don't honestly know where it is. Nope. Not there. About there. I think I was close. About this one. Not the ball. The ball was easy. Because that one was easy. But yeah, we played a little game and now it's time to say the shoutouts. So wait, no, I'm saying the shoutouts in the shoutout video. So yeah. And I have a dog. My dog is right here. It looks like that. And my name is Harley. Well, I usually sit up here. But seriously, look at all these toys my sister has. But if you see something red, that's mine. And the blue thing. Raise your hand if you like. If you like Paw Patrol, comment down below because I love it. It's really good. I am only 7, so some people like Paw Patrol. It's okay. My baby brother got me into it, yeah. But look at this. Look at his play money. It goes all the way up to this number. See it? The number? And it starts by 1s. Can you believe that? Go to the playroom. Yeah, that's it for the video. And give me a big thumbs up if you like this. So see ya.